we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First, we need a tub and a lid. Let's put the stickers on. First, we'll start with the top of the sticker that goes on top of the lid, and it has an uppercase and a lowercase d on it. Nice. Next, let's put the front sticker on the front of the bucket. Nice. Let's turn the lid over and put the bottom sticker on. There it is, uppercase and lowercase d. Let's put things next to the bucket. Let's find them. First, we are going to look for the uppercase D. There it is. And now we need the lowercase d. Now we have some things to find. First, we're going to find a domino. That's a game piece. Domino. Next is a creature called a dolphin. Oh, look at that pretty dolphin. Next, we're looking for a donut. Donuts are yummy. Next, let's find a duck. Well, there's a duck. Quack, quack. Now we need a dinosaur. Rawr. And finally, man's best friend, a dog. There he is, a dog. All right, let's put everything in the bucket. First, let's start with the uppercase D. And now, let's put a lowercase d in the bucket. Where's that domino? There it is. What about a dolphin? Good job. Next, we need a donut. Next is a duck. There he is. Let's find the dinosaur. And the last thing to go in the bucket, in the tub, is the dog. And that's it. Let's put the lid on it. That's the letter D. Next is the letter E. See you next time.